Hello students, my name is Ruchika and here I have some important information for students of class 12 who study English elective CBSE code 101. Here I have the weightage which is given to the different sections in your final exam and the design of the question paper. First of all, you can see here, this is a section-wise distribution of marks. The first section, section A, which is of reading skills, this will carry, here you can see this information is also available on the official website of the CBSE. First section, which is based on reading skills, carries a weightage of 30 marks. The section of writing skills, this is the section B, this carries another 30 marks. And the section C, which is based on literary appreciation and extended reading texts, will carry 40 marks. So this is the section wise detailed information about the sections, what they will comprise of. This is the section A of reading skills, which is of 30 marks. Section B of writing skills and grammar, which carries another 30 marks. And this is the section C, which is based on literature, prescribed books and long reading texts, that is the novels. This is the design of the question paper. First of all, the reading skills types of questions which are based on your reading skills. Section A, there will be 5 1-mark questions which are the type of multiple choice questions. Another 5 questions which will be the very short answer questions which carry 1 mark each. There will be 1 short answer question which has to be attempted in 50 to 60 words and will carry 4 marks. There will be 1 long answer 2 type of question which has to be attempted in 120 to 150 words and will carry 6 marks. It will total to 30 marks. Then the writing skills and grammar questions which are based on this. There will be 10 very short answer 1 mark questions. There will be 1 short answer type of questions which is of 4 marks. Another 1 long answer 2 type of question which will be of 6 marks. And then there will be 2 very long answer type of questions which have to be attempted in 150 to 200 words which carry 10 marks each and it will total to 40 marks. Then there are the questions based on literature, section C. In this there will be 10 1 mark very short answer questions. Then there will be 1 question of 4 marks. There will be 2 long answer 1 type of questions which carry 5 marks each. And there will be 1 6 marker question long answer type and 1 10 marker very long answer type of question and it will total to 40 marks. The total paper will be of 100 marks. Thank you. I hope this information is useful for you. And for information on other subjects and the exam pattern and tips, the links are given below. Do follow them and subscribe to Success CD's Education.